You just have to sign up to this brand new platform I've never shown before and follow all of the steps in this tutorial before being able to set up your own passive income stream. Stay tuned to find out how. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so let's get started, guys. The main, but far from the only platform we will be using today, and also the site that will be paying us today, is this one right here called Sellfy.com. Most of you watching this have probably never heard about it, and what this site is you can see right here. Easy-to-use e-commerce for creators. Sell merchandise or digital products all from one place. So, as you've just heard, this is a place where you can sell stuff as a creator. Say you're some YouTuber and you upload videos about fitness. What you can do, and what actually many people on YouTube do, is put some fitness products on sale for a site like this, and then leave the link to their store in the description of their videos. In this fashion, they would be able to make money not only from the ad revenue, but also from people buying the stuff they are promoting as well, boosting their revenue significantly. With that said though, you guys will not be using this site to sell anything, let's make that clear. You won't have to sell a single product in order to be able to make money with this strategy. And so what you will want to do once you come onto Sellfy here and you read more about it and see how it works is scroll down until you reach the very bottom of the page, and you will want to click on Affiliates right here. So the way we will be making money with Sellfy is by promoting it as an affiliate, and I have two different traffic sources for you that you can use to make a lot of money online, so make sure you keep watching. First off though, let me elaborate as to why you want to promote this site in the first place. What makes it good to make money off of as an affiliate? Well, the first thing worth noting is that it offers a 14-day free trial. I've mentioned this time and time again, guys. A free trial is hugely beneficial when promoting anything as an affiliate. This is because when you share an affiliate link to some platform with someone, that person is most likely not going to pay the platform that you are promoting. The main reason being that people are cautious and they don't want to throw away their money on some site that turns out to be a scam. But when you have a free trial here and you tell people that the site you are promoting offers a free trial, the amount of people who will try out the site is going to be much higher. And when those people test out the site and see that it's actually legit, they will be willing to pay them because now they have the assurance that it's not a scam after all. Long story short, you will be able to get far more people to pay a site you are promoting as an affiliate if it offers a free trial. And Sellfy most definitely does, meaning that you can make a lot of money promoting it. The benefits don't stop there, however. As far as commissions are concerned, this site will pay you quite decently, actually. And on top of that, they have a system in place where at bare minimum, they will pay you 25% commissions, as you can see. But if you get more than 60 sales monthly, you can see down here that they will pay you 40% commissions, which is actually a lot. And thanks to the traffic sources I will show you, you will be able to get that many sales most definitely. Anyhow, what you will now need to do, guys, is sign up to their affiliate program by clicking on Become an Affiliate here. On the next page, just click on Join Now, and then you'll just have to enter in some of your basic information before being able to sign up. And once you do sign up, what happens from there is you will have to wait a bit until you get accepted into their affiliate program. And don't worry, you don't need to be some expert so that you get accepted. You will just have to wait a while before that does happen. And when it does, you will be able to grab your affiliate link, and whenever someone pays Sellfy, you will get paid. And with that done, guys, let's now move on to the two traffic sources I have for you. The first one is going to be YouTube. And what you will want to do on YouTube is upload a video like some of these people have titled, How to make money online as a creator. Because after all, as you can see here, Selfie is a tool for creators. Anyhow, what you will want to do in that particular video is one of two things. You can either record yourself talking about Selfie and going over all of its features, or you can record your screen while talking about the site, so you don't have to show your face on camera per se in order for this to work. Either way, what you will do is simply go over Selfie's features with the audience and make sure to mention the free trial because, as I said before, it makes a huge difference. And once you record your video and upload it onto YouTube, you will just leave your Selfie affiliate link in the description, and of course, when someone watches your video, they will want to check out Selfie, and thus you will be able to get a lot of people to click on your affiliate link, and whenever some of them pay Selfie, you will get paid in turn. With all of that said though, there is a flaw with this method, and that is the views. Since most of you watching this most likely won't have any subscribers, chances are that you won't get that many views on your video. And so what I would recommend you do is use a site called vfly.com. This will get you real views on your video without having to invest a lot of money, and it's going to be extremely beneficial so that your video gets decently popular and a lot of people see it. And by the way, bear in mind that you don't need to get like 50,000 views with VFly or whatever. You can just pay this platform to get you like 5,000 views or so, and that's plenty because from there, your video will get views on its own since, as you can see, these kinds of videos are extremely popular. Now, the second way you can get traffic, guys, is through this platform here, the link of which I left down in the description. Now, first and foremost, this is a paid software, so it's not free by any means. But it more than makes up for that with the fact that it will allow you to earn hundreds of dollars daily in completely passive income without doing anything. You won't have to bother creating any videos or getting views to those said videos whatsoever. Furthermore, as you can see here, this works in any niche. That means that you can use this software to get traffic to any affiliate link out there and thus earn a lot of money. And lastly, it's very much worth noting that this does offer a year-long money-back guarantee and that they will actually pay you $200 if this doesn't work out for you. These two features more than make up for the fact that it's a paid software, which is why I highly recommend you guys give it a try. It's once again the very first link down below. In case you don't want to risk it, then feel free to use YouTube. That will, in the end, allow you to earn a lot of money nevertheless. Anyways, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.